Person of interest held in the MP's daughter and her mother disappearance. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. An individual who is said to be a person of interest is now in custody and is being questioned by local authorities as they intensify their investigation into the alleged abduction of a mother and her child. Member of Parliament Philip Paulwell is said to be the child's father. Reports coming from a high-level source within the Jamaica Constabulary Force suggest that the person whose name is being withheld was removed from an aircraft while attempting to leave the island on Friday. The Constabulary Communication Network has confirmed that the individual is being questioned, but have declined to comment on the operation that led to the apprehension of the person at the airport. Meanwhile, family members and local law enforcement officers continue their search following the disappearance of 10-month-old Saraya Paulwell and her mother, 26-year-old Tashana Patterson. Investigators have stated that they are looking at several angles into the case, and one of them is that the infant and her mother are believed to be abducted from their home in St. Andrew on Saturday, September the 9th. A $500,000 reward is being offered for information that can lead to their safe return. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and provide more information to come on this. Thanks for watching.